Alright, what's going on, everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what we got, I want to show you all a pair of sneakers I just bought. I got them in the mail yesterday and I bought them online. Got them off Grailed, and I think this is one of the best under $100 sneakers. These originally retailed for actually over $100, but you know, they're going for less now, and I just think they're super nice. I think it's a good pair of sneakers that everyone can own, and I'm going to explain why. I mean, it is a sneaker model that I'm new to. It's not like a sneaker I've had before or anything, so it is very new to me, but looking into it, my friends own pairs of them, and I just looked at them and I was like, yeah, these are fire. So I definitely picked up a pair for myself. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you guys want to, go like my pic that I just posted on Instagram. I'll put it in the description. If you guys go like that, just go follow me. I'd appreciate it. Let me know if you come from this video. Of course, I'll follow you back. I'll follow my people back, you know? My Snapchat down there too. Any of that, you know, my social media stuff, you want to go check that. Subscribe to that. All be awesome. I'd really appreciate it if you guys subscribe to, you know, we're on the way to 25K. Road to 25K, so let's get it going, you know what I mean? But yeah, I don't have too much more to say other than sneakers are in my hand. I want to show you all them. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so again, this is just an opinion too, but personally for what you can get for under $100 right now, I think it's a very good pair of sneakers. But you know, I just put the best because, you know, my opinion, and I think they're personally the best. So you know, that's what I'm gonna put in the title. So basically what sneaker I got for y'all right here is we got the Blazer mid 77 vintage, and this is a blue colorway of them. I believe that's the name, and it's basically a remake of the OG Blazers that Nike made. And as you can see, these are StockX verified. I bought them on Grailed, but the person barely even wore them, so I got them in good condition. I wore them yesterday, so here, maybe able to tell there's like some dirt right there because like I wore them yesterday, which I'll show all that in a second. But these are very comfortable sneakers and I want to get into it. But yeah, verified by StockX. There's the sticker, and he even included the QR code, so that's dope. So yeah, got these legit pair, or you know, StockX is pretty good at checking. So I mean, I don't think they make fakes of these, but these are good. The box is also super cool. I want to show you all this. You got like the OG Nike symbol, basically a remake of the original box. So I just want to show you all the little details that are like included with this box. Pretty cool, like the orange colorway of it. So basically going over the sneaker, it is a little bit hard to put on, so like you have to loosen them before you put them on each time, and then you can tighten them back up if you want like a comfortable fit. You can wear them too with the laces, just loosen them so you can slip them on each time. But I like to lace mine up, so you know, basically something about the tongue. Look at this, you got sort of like the OG. I really like this part. Like, I don't know, it just makes the sneaker more comfortable, and also the fact that it's nice leather, that's also really good. And yeah, you know, you just got like a lot of cool design in the sneaker. Like, see, you got the Nike there. Bottoms, you can see I wore them around yesterday. There's a lot of dirt, but they're not like damaged or anything. Like, I could clean these all back to a white colorway. I think would be fine, you know? But yeah, basically I really like the swoosh on these ones too. I mean, look at this, like, I don't know, it's dope. And I've never had a Blazer, but I'm really glad that I have it now. And you also notice this material here by the toe box of the sneaker. By the toe box, you can see, like, look at this material. It goes all around here. It's towards like the upper part right here. And I don't know what it is, but it's like I think it's like a, not suede, but it kind of is. I don't really know, but yeah. It's pretty cool, and it's a comfy sneaker. Of course, I'm gonna try it on. And I never really owned a pair of high top sneakers too. Like, a pair of high top sneakers to wear around like this. Like, I don't know how to feel about it, but like, I don't know, I kind of rock them. And you know, I posted a fit pic on Instagram yesterday, which by the way, it's in the description. Go like that, you know, go check that out, you know what I mean? Go plug myself. But yeah, just looking at this, I mean, they're both dope. And I don't know, just like the feel of a high top sneaker, it's like weird. Like, these can get a little bit uncomfortable if you wear them for a long time, I feel like. But these are also kind of new, but they have been worn a bit. So like, I don't know like how broken in they are, but I wore them a lot yesterday, so they're getting pretty comfy. I had to run in them a bit yesterday. Not for anything bad, just I had to run back because my car was at one place, I was at another, so I had to run back to my car. That sucked. It was cold too. Not gonna go into detail, but looking at this, you know, just the white and blue, it goes hard. And I think it was my mom or my friend Ben that said, like, you know, it's like the UNC, but like just the blues like darker. So I kind of like that. You know, I'm from North Carolina, so anything like that goes hard to me. And yeah, these are pretty dope. So I don't know, shout out Nike for making these retro remakes, or vintage remakes, you know, not retro, but it's like a retro version. That's also what my dad said. He's like, it's like a retro, but it's just, no, it's a remake. So I guess technically, yeah, that'd be right. So looking at these, I gotta clean these back up because I dirtied them all up. But yeah, you know, the box is sick, and it even has some information right here, right there. Like they used to have in the old boxes, have some information on the Blazers. But really, that's all I have to say. The laces are cool, they're comfy, they're just a little bit hard to slip on, but I'm gonna do a try on and sort of show you all what they look like on foot, so let's get into that. So basically on foot, they're pretty comfy, but you know, looking at that, you know, oh, by the way, I'm wearing one Adidas sock and one Nike sock because couldn't find some Nike socks or Adidas socks to go with them. They just wouldn't have matched. I mean, my outfit kind of whack right now, but looking at this, see, like it's pretty nice up there on the ankle. It's pretty comfortable, you know, it goes like really nice. It's really good in person. That's one thing I really want to stress, is that these are hard in person. And I think everybody should, you know, try and get a pair. I mean, they're fire. Like, I would definitely recommend copping a pair if you can. And like, I think they can go with a lot of outfits especially too. So I'd recommend looking into that. And you know, just they're comfy. Once you start wearing them a lot, they get more comfortable. But the only thing is that they're just they're hard to take off. Like you can loosen these up. Like look, you can loosen these up as much as you want. They're hard to take off. I'm creasing my shoe hard as anything right now, but they get hard to take off. Oh my god, I need a haircut, bro. Coming soon, but I don't have too much more to say. They're comfy. I recommend getting a pair, whatever colorway. They have more colorways than just this one. I think they have 4, but I'm tired of squatting on the ground. Let's roll that outro. Best under 100, man. Anyways though, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If y'all want more content like this, don't forget you can subscribe below, and also you can go like my Instagram post because that's in the description right there, man. I plugged that 3 times this video now, so I'm not gonna say more about y'all going in the description. You can follow me there, my Snapchat, anything, you know. I'd appreciate a follow. Like that goes a long way, you know, shows your support. But I'm not gonna like try and make it seem like I'm begging for anything, so I'm really just gonna end the video here after I say a few things. So like, you know, these sneakers, comfy, recommend them. It's all I'm not gonna repeat too much more, so these are dope. And I got them for 60. I never said that in the video, but I got these for 60. So that's why I'm saying that, because they're like on stock right now for like 100, 105, but like I got these for 60 on Grailed. So just go look on Grailed for pairs. They're pretty cheap, and you can find some dope sneakers there. So I'm not gonna say much more. Subscribe, like, comment, do anything. Comment other sneakers you think are great for around $100. Any of that, everybody would appreciate it, and so would I. So I'm not gonna say too much more other than I'm Tristan. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.